Dear students, in today's lecture, we will be discussing about the types of discipline and what are the various causes which cause indiscipline in the organization. So, just to brief it about what is discipline, though we have already discussed in the previous lecture. Uh, Discipline is basically an orderly behavior, observance of rules and regulations by the employees. Means like a discipline is something which is followed by all the employees. That following of the rules, regulations uh, set by the organization as well as the government. Now, when we talk about the types of discipline, basically we have three different types of discipline. One is negative discipline, another one is positive discipline, and the third one is the self-discipline and control. Now, if we talk about the negative discipline, basically this type of discipline is on people abide to the rules and regulations out of the fear of penalties. Means like they get penalized if they will not um, do, or they will not follow disciplines. They will, if they will not follow the rules and regulations of the organization. Say such like an example, say suppose the time office timing is 9 to 5 now, and the rule was that is that if an employee come late after 5, his or her half day salary get cut. So due to this penalty of cutting off half day salary, the employee uh, come on time. They reach their office by 9 a.m. and leave the office by 5 p.m. So this is what we call it as negative discipline. Now, if we talk about positive discipline, positive discipline is basically where the employee willingly or desirably uh, adopt or cooperate the organization, follow the rules and regulations, and achieve their goals. Now, the third type is self-discipline and control. Using training to embed discipline into the employees. Means like here, the employer provide training to the employees so that they abide to the discipline into the employees. So these are the three types. Now, if we talk about the causes of disciplines, means what are the factors, what are the reason why employees show indiscipline in the organization. So the very first cause of indiscipline is absence of effective leadership. Means say suppose the person or the manager or the management is not able to show correct form of leadership. So there is absence of effective leadership. Means like the person is not able to handle the proper team. They are not well effective to lead in a team. So this may cause indiscipline. Another is unfair management practices. Means like people shows biasness towards the employees. They are not fair in the wages and salary. They are not fair. They are not showing fair and equal or justable treatment to their employees. So such type of things will cause indiscipline. Then communication barriers, like this is the very must and obvious reason of cause of indiscipline. Means like whatever the communication passed by the management that does not reach, or there is a breach in the communication when it reached to the employees. Means like the things are not properly communicated, the rules and regulations are not properly communicated to the employees. Then non-uniform disciplinary actions, means like there is not an uniform system of penalized or disciplinary action. Means like if a person follows in discipline, some of the people may get punished, rest another may not. So there is no specific format for penalized or to solve the indisciplinary action. Another is divide and rule policy. Divide and rule policy is basically where the organization is split into many different types or many different groups, and they start doing activities against each other. Then inadequate attention to personal problems, like sometimes the people may uh, indulge in disciplinary actions due to their personal or family problems. So victimization is also one of the reason, means like falsely the person get victimized of indisciplinary actions. So these are the causes of indiscipline reaction. In the next video, we will be discussing about what are the uh, you know form of disciplinary action and how we can control it. So